Chapli kababs are very crusty on the outside and soft and moist on the inside. They taste awesome with some side of salad or tomatoes, onions, some lemon squeezed on top, and some fresh naan. I just wanted to wish you guys a very happy Ramadan, full of love, peace, and also don't forget us in your prayers and your duas. And we can do this. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make chapli kabab. It is one of my favorite appetizers. I grew up having this food. This food is really common in Afghanistan, Pakistan, India, and countries around that area. I remember when I was a child in Pakistan, we used to go to food street and this was the first thing I would buy. Like, believe it or not, it was spicy, but I loved it. That flavor that I tasted when I was a child, so I like to recreate it for you guys. So let's get started. For this recipe, we need 1 large onion, few potatoes, 2 cups of flour, 650 gram of lean ground veal, green chili pepper, coriander, 1 tablespoon of garlic, 1 teaspoon of dry coriander, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 2 teaspoons of salt, 2 teaspoons of dry coriander, 1 teaspoon of chili flakes, 1 teaspoon of turmeric. So first thing first, we're gonna chop the legume that we have here. I'm gonna start by chili pepper. So now we're going to chop the coriander for some freshness. It gives a very fresh aroma. I'm going to cut this, chop this, peel this potato. I am not going to make French fries. As you guys know, I'm making chapli kabab. Just peeling the potatoes now. The reason I'm peeling because we want like a very smooth texture. So that's why I want to peel it. What kind of food do you guys usually make to make it more special? So let me know, maybe I can use your tips. Alright, chopping the onions now. Probably I need like a bigger knife. Let's switch my knife. So let me know if you like chopping the onions.
Who does?
Who does, right?
Everybody gets emotional.
Yeah. To save my planet, I start doing compost. Yay!
Yay! It's not only your planet, it's our planet.
Our planet, of course, but
we all live in it together.
Yeah. And also I'm trying to do a gardening soon. So I am keeping this for my gardening.
Are you gonna make a gardening video?
Well, maybe, yeah. Since it's Sahar's life, why not?
Let's do it.
Alright, so I'm just gonna wash my potatoes and chop them. One thing about me, I am really not good at chopping, so don't judge me. Don't judge me. I think the reason that I start my videos because maybe I can learn how to chop as well.
It's a good skill to learn.
It gives me a chance to learn, right?
Yeah.
Alright, so actually first I'm gonna chop my onion. It's just to practice my skills, right? I'm just gonna cut them really thin. Let's see. We're gonna grate the potatoes. Let's do that together. So we are done grating our potatoes. They're gonna look like this. And we are going to add everything together. So we got everything ready, everything prepped. I have the potatoes, the onions chopped, I have coriander, all my spices, my meat, and let's just make the magic happen. So first thing first, we're gonna open our meat, and I am using the veal. So we're gonna go at my favorite, garlic. We're gonna add that first. Then we're gonna add our turmeric, some salt. So if you guys noticed, I have two kind of coriander. I left some whole, just like that. And I have the fresh one. So let's just mix them all together. Black pepper, chili flakes. Ooh, some more heat in here. Let's do that. Gonna add some onions. So basically I chopped some by hand and I use my food processor to have that soft texture as well. The potatoes, I'm just gonna add all of them together. And some flour. Just gonna wait a bit, mix it, and then I will see if I need more. But I'm just gonna add the coriander, the fresh coriander. And we mix. You know, while you're fasting, when you do physical things like this, it's not easy, I know, but we got this. We got this. I really almost forgot to add the eggs, and let's just do that before we forget, for real. Woo!
What a show off. You did it one hand.
I always do that. Okay, so we're just gonna add that as well. One thing about Ramadan, I cannot taste my food until I break my fast. So I have no idea if the salt or the spice is okay. So let's just hope for the best. So now I am going to add the rest of the flour. And probably I would add a little more salt because I am not sure if the salt is okay. I heard for the month of Ramadan, if you're making food, you are allowed to taste your food. I am not sure if that's correct. So if you know any information, just let me know.
I think it's like if the husband's like really picky or like demanding, then you're allowed to like taste it or something.
You're allowed. I heard that, but
I heard that
I'm not
too.
sure if it's correct.
Yeah, I'm not sure if it's for real though.
We have to just find out.
Yeah, maybe in the comments below.
Yeah, let us know. So maybe I can taste my food.
But then I would have to
Well,
be like
thank
really
God I
picky.
don't have like a picky husband. So we are ready. This is well blended. Thanks to hubby, he helped. And we're just gonna use my tool. I'm just gonna show you guys. This is really easy to use. So I'm just gonna show you guys how to use this. What I do, just take some oil it up, and some over here. Gonna oil up the tray just a bit. Oops. All right. Move this aside. Okay. So, how I do this? I'll take my spoon. Because I really want perfect shape. Want it really round and nice shape, you know, clean. So, yeah. So probably I'm just gonna use my hands for this one, because these, I'll use it for patties only.
like beef patties.
Yeah, beef patties. Still, it's nice, but I think they are going to be very thin. So I rather use my hands for this. These are all ready and ready to be pan fried. So let's just do that together. My heat is on and I'm going to sprinkle some olive oil. So basically I'm trying to bring that memory back from back in days when I used to live in Afghanistan, Pakistan. We used to run to the street and get those street food, which is really tasty. So I am really trying to bring that memory back, which I will use some whole coriander, some chili peppers, some tomatoes of course, and we will pan fry them. So let's take a look from the inside how they look. Wow, they look really juicy from the inside, very moist, and it's crispy on the outside. So it's full of flavor that I know because I put so much spice. But I cannot try them out for you guys. So if you try these, please do tag me on my Instagram at Sahar's Life 1. I'll be happy to see you guys there. Thank you so much for watching. If you are new to my channel, please do subscribe, support a sister. I'll be really grateful. And also, I wish you guys a very happy Ramadan again and have a blessed month. Until next time, bye-bye.